Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're driving on the Port Royal Street, and this is a new road that was recently built. As you can see, they've now put in the white lines, and this was part of the Port Royal Street revetment project. And very nice road, 6 lanes. This road leads you from downtown Kingston all the way to Sir Florizel Glasspool Highway, which will eventually take you to the airport. So this project was undertaken to help beautify the area down here. On the right is a Raytown fishing village, a very popular area where you can the fishermen come in, and straight ahead on the right you can see them with the coolers where they sell the fish. And this project is a part of the government's plan or aim or project, basically, to bring investment back to downtown Kingston. And this road is one of the major roads that take you into downtown Kingston. So they did this project, and part of the project was fixing the road, but another part was building like an entertainment area, and another part, which was probably the main reason for this project, was to fix the coastline, to reinforce the coastline. Okay, we're going to take a look. I'm not sure which way is the right way here. I apologize if I did it wrong. Okay, straight ahead now you can see they put the stones and bit like a little barrier for the road to make sure the harbor doesn't interfere with the road. So I think this was the main reason for the project, and that has been done. Basically, this project is finished. The only thing left to be done is to put in the street lights or the street lamps. Okay, you see where you have that plastic sticking out of the ground? That's where the street lamps are to go. So basically, this project is finished. The reinforcing of the coastline is done. The roadway is finished. Okay, this is now the entertainment area. You can see they built a boardwalk, and that's for people to walk on and enjoy the harbor. And this area here now is where you can park and go fishing, or park and use the boardwalk, walk up and down. Now this boardwalk is similar to the one on the Palisades Strip, and I must say you have a beautiful view. Look at the harbor. You can look at the ships in the harbor, and also you can look at the aeroplanes landing over by the airport. Excellent view. Straight ahead is the Raytown fishing village, and they were supposed to, I'm not sure what happened to that part of the project, but they were to build an area for them, to persons in Raytown, to dock their boats. Perhaps we can't view that part because it will be the boats docking from the road, but that was also a part of the project. So this was an excellent project undertaken by the government, and we must say the government is really doing an excellent job with these roads. So basically, you can drive from the airport all the way to Portmore or Spanish Town on good roads, highway quality roads. You can go from downtown Kingston, which is the second busiest place in Jamaica, to Halfway Tree, which is the busiest place in Jamaica, on highway quality roads. Now look at this road. Excellent job. It took them forever to put on the white lines, and I'm not sure why that takes so long in Jamaica, but it's done now. And this project is practically finished. The boardwalk is done, the seawall has been done. It's only the street lamps, and I'm not sure what's taking so long with that, but perhaps closer to the grand opening they'll put in the street lamps. This road has not been officially they haven't had the official ceremony yet, but I'm sure as soon as the street lamps go in, they'll have it. But the road is up and running. Okay, now the government has been trying to, how would you say, bring activity back to downtown Kingston. They have a lot of different projects, a lot of, okay, for example, I don't know if this is still done now, but when the project started to bring back downtown Kingston, they told companies if you move your head office to downtown Kingston, you'd get tax breaks, those kind of incentives. And they recently built the Foreign Affairs building, and as you can see, they're doing their best to beautify the area. And okay, here you go. This is a very nice view of the coastline. That building straight ahead is the Ministry of Foreign Affairs building. It was recently built. On the right is the Grace Kennedy building that was also recently built. Straight ahead on the left, that's the Bank of Jamaica building. Has been there for years, but it's also one of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. And then beside it, that building with the black glass, that's the Scotia Center, which has been there for a long time, and it's also one of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. So this project was an excellent idea, and it's practically finished. Now this is also Port Royal Street that we're on. It would have been so nice if they had just kept going with the paving and the white lines and the street lamps, but I'm sure it will be done one day. But I guess budget constraints, or maybe they didn't want to inconvenience or dig up work on the entire road at one time, because it would have created a traffic nightmare, as this part of downtown is a lot busier than the part we just came from. But I'm sure it will be done one day. Alright, we just passed the intersection with Duke Street, and we're coming up to the intersection with Church Street. And that Port Royal Street project, I don't think it took, I mean, it was slowed down because of COVID. The official end date, I think it started in 2018 or 2019, and the official end date was to have been 2021, but with COVID and all the restrictions, it was delayed. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.